Did you know that if you had bought $100 worth of Bitcoin a decade ago, it could be worth millions today? Don't miss out on the opportunity of a lifetime. Stay tuned as we break down how you can buy Bitcoin easily and safely. Bitcoin has been the talk of the town for years now. But what exactly is Bitcoin? And why should you care? In this video, we're going to show you everything you need to know about how to buy Bitcoin step by step, simple and secure. First, let's quickly recap. Bitcoin is a digital currency, free from central banks and intermediaries. It allows for secure, fast, and borderless transactions. Think of it as the money of the internet age. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech genius to start using it. To buy Bitcoin, the first thing you need is a reliable platform. Popular options include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. Look for a platform that's user-friendly and has strong security measures. Pro tip: always check user reviews and avoid platforms that seem too good to be true. To buy Bitcoin, the first thing you need is a reliable platform. Popular options include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. Look for a platform that's user-friendly and has strong security measures. Pro tip: always check user reviews and avoid platforms that seem too good to be true. Once you've chosen your platform, sign up and verify your account. This usually involves providing an email address, setting a strong password, and completing identity verification for security purposes. Now, it's time to fund your account. You can deposit money using a bank transfer, credit card, or even PayPal, depending on the platform. Make sure to start small if you're a beginner. Invest only what you're comfortable losing. To keep your Bitcoin safe, consider transferring it to a secure wallet. A hardware wallet, like a Ledger or Trezor, is a great option for long-term storage. Remember, not your keys, not your coins, and that's it. You're now part of the Bitcoin revolution. Remember, the key to success is to start small, stay informed, and always invest wisely. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. Happy investing!